Meditation teaches us number of things. It gives us light. It shows us the path of enlightenment. And when we meditate, we connect to our heart. And one of the most important things which our heart teaches us during meditation is called humility. Being humble, being humility is what is most important. We need to be grounded in everything that we do. Humility teaches us the level that we are in. On the mountain of spirituality, which level are we in? Where are we standing? What kind of a state am I in? If we ask a boy, which standard are you in? He'll say, I'm in the 6th standard. So then we'll ask, which standard will you go to next? Then he'll say, I'll go to 7th standard. Obviously. So only when we know where we stand at, will we know where to go to next. What to do to go to the next level. And how to pass that examination. That is one of the various things that meditation will tell us, will teach us. To be humble, to be full of humility. On the mountain of spirituality, if we know the level, then if someone is 2 or 3 steps ahead of you, we need to learn from them. We need to seek their help and not to be jealous of them in any which way. And if someone is 2-3 steps behind us, we need to be compassionate towards them and try to pull them up to our level and grow together. That is what real humility is. And I urge each and everyone to develop that kind of humility in your heart.